Hello. Why? What? You need to go? Okay. What? Yes. What? Why don't I? You want me to boogie yours? Come, I'm gonna boogie you. Dance like a king, my friend. Hey. That was fun. Whoa, shit. Oh, holy freaking heck. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm taking their loot. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the grenade and kill myself too. Okay, now I'm dead. We need to go. Oh. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the candy shop. Okay, I'm coming. I'm in the baller. What? I can't hear you. I'm 10. But there's something wrong with your microphone. Okay, now I can hear you. What did you say? I'm 10 years old. Oh. Well, I'm turning 11. Are you? No, you're not. Yo, fuck off, you're not. You're not, dude. You are not in the first person, dude. You're not in first person. How? Learn me your magic. Hey, try to dance. Try to dance. You can't be in first person. Yo, dance, dance. Wait, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Is it? Yo, go to the cannon. Go inside the cannon. Yo. Are you seriously in first person? Shut the fuck up, Siri. Oh. How the heck did you get in first person? Seriously? Oh, okay. I'm gonna shoot myself, and if I come in first person, oh. Yo, I'm going in first person, bro. I need to become in first person. Yeah, I'm coming. I just need to build the stairs. Okay, am I just gonna shoot? I'm not in first person. You do it. Wait, I can't hear you. Oh, do you have a